Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps and then access it in the background. Now tap on the icon of it and tap on Open in Pop-up View option. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button, and then to access it again, just click on the bubble. If you wish to scale your window, hold one of its corners and resize it. In order to close it, you can drag the bubble to remove section or drag your window. When you see the red color, let go. You can also just swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!